Let's get started with the flat man model by 3B. So we have the cerebrum here. Here is your cerebrum, and we have the frontal lobe, parietal lobe, temporal lobe, occipital lobe, and then right here is your cerebellum. So frontal lobe, temporal lobe, parietal lobe, occipital lobe, and then your cerebellum. This right here is your pons, medulla oblongata. These ridges right here associated with the cerebrum would be the gyri, and then the valleys would be the sulci. And then on the cerebellum, you have folia right here. Pons, medulla oblongata, and then your spinal cord goes down all down through here. And the cavity is called the vertebral canal, associated with the vertebral foramina. And right here you can see that the body of the vertebrae has been cut at the pedicle region of the vertebrae. So this would be the spinal cord, and you can see that the spinal cord is in one piece superior to L2, and then inferior to that you have rootlets that's going to form the cauda equini. Looks like a horse's tail, cauda equini. This structure right here is called the sympathetic trunk, and there's one on this side as well, but it's not shown on this model. So this would be the sympathetic trunk, and this is associated with the sympathetic nervous system of your autonomic nervous system. So you have your sympathetic trunk right here, and that's going to be parallel to the spinal cord on either side. It's shown right here. Okay, we have the cervical plexus right here, and then we have the brachial plexus right here, and then we have the median nerve right here. Here's your median nerve right here. And then the ulnar nerve is right here. Radial nerve is right here. Ulnar nerve, radial nerve. Okay. Let's move on to the pelvis region. We have this nerve right here. It's going down into the leg. This is the femoral nerve right here. And then this nerve, and I'm tracing down, that's the saphenous nerve. That would be the saphenous nerve right there. So this is your femoral nerve right here. Now the nerve behind it would be the sciatic nerve. And we can see that it's sort of hid because it goes back behind the femur. But we see over here, we see the same nerve, number 35. I don't know if you can see that or not. You can see it now, 35 and 35 here. 34 would be the femoral nerve. So we can see that the sciatic nerve is going to go down and it's going to fork. So this right here is the common fibular nerve that's going to go alongside the fibula, common fibular nerve right here. Common fibular nerve goes along beside the fibula bone, and then we have the tibial nerve right here. So this is the sciatic nerve right here. And then right here we can see the femoral nerve here, and it's been cut right here. Femoral nerve again, sciatic nerve. You can trace the femoral nerve down, becomes the saphenous nerve. Now, with the sciatic nerve, it's going to fork right at the popliteal region, the back of the knee, and it's going to fork into the common fibular nerve and the tibial nerve right here. And that's it for this 3B flat man. I do want to show you this here. So this is the 3B torso model, and here you can see in this leg region, this is the sartorius muscle, this is the rectus femoris muscle, and so on. In this area here, where the probe is pointing to, that would be the femoral nerve. This right here is the femoral artery. This is the femoral vein. So when you go from medial to lateral, it spells vein. Vein, artery, nerve. And then right here, you can see the brachial plexus. And then right over here, remove the gluteus maximus muscle. And you can see the sciatic nerve here. Here's your sciatic nerve. And then right here, we see the cauda equini. Right here. This is your cauda equini. And this is the spinal cord here. This would be the dura mater here. And then right up here, we can see the dura mater again. And then this pink structure would be the arachnoid mater. And there's your spinal cord exposed there. And right here, we see the sympathetic trunk running down here, 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 and so on. And that's it.